Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we will be drawing P from alphabet lore. To get started, we're going to start on the left of the page and we're going to draw in a long vertical line down the page. Starting from here, let's go down to this point. Once your vertical line is done, let's draw in the top of the P. Let's just draw in a big curved line, maybe to this point. Take your time with this. Get it nice and round. And once you hit this point, we just need to stop there. With that done, let's continue down right around here for the bottom. And we just need to connect it like so. Once your main P is done, let's add in the eyes. The eyes are going to be pretty big on the top. Right around here, we're going to start with the first eye. It's going to be at an angle. So we want to draw one side of the eye and the other side. Once you're done with these two lines, let's just connect the top. And then let's add in the iris, which is going to be this rounded square. Add a little circle for the highlight and let's fill in our first iris. With this eye done, let's draw another one on the right. Let's go up from here, across, and back down. And same thing, we just need an iris. And a circle for the highlight. And fill in the rest with black. I'll give you some time to complete that. Once you're done with these steps, let's draw in some eyelashes for our cute P. We're gonna just do two. Now let's color these in. And we need the same ones on the right. 1, 2. And once you have them filled in, let's draw in the mouth. The mouth is really easy. It's just going to be a line right around here. Maybe from this line of the iris down, like so. And then connect it to the edge of the P. And there you have it. Your P drawing is done. All we need is color. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.